Side is following the latest efforts to cut down on gun violence here. This comes as memories of the Tops mass shooting continue to haunt the community. The Tops on Jefferson Avenue was the backdrop today for the announcement of a brand new initiative. And 2 on your side's Chelsea Swift is joining us live tonight. She is at Buffalo City Hall tonight. And Chelsea leaders, they've announced a new, what they call the Office of Gun Violence Prevention, correct?
Scott, that's right. Mayor Byron Brown is submitting an executive order to Common Council to create this office that Councilwoman Zanetta Everhart has been pushing for all year. City leaders establishing an Office of Gun Violence Prevention to reduce violence in Buffalo and provide more support to victims and their families. Councilwoman Zanetta Everhart says this office is about protecting the community from mass shootings and everyday gun violence.
This office is also about education for our youth, getting them involved in the conversation because they are the ones that are being mostly impacted by it. And it is absolutely important that Buffalo stands at the forefront of this. We have to let our residents know, we have to let our youth know that we hear them, we see them, and we want to protect them.
Common Council members and Mayor Byron Brown meeting outside the Tops on Jefferson Avenue to discuss efforts to address gun violence in the city. Zanetta Everhart says the office will be staffed by counselors and community members already familiar with gun violence prevention efforts. The CEO of Best Self Behavioral Health says they're partnering with the city on this initiative.
Our Black Mental Health Response Team continues to work in the community under the leadership of our Chief Health Equity Officer, Chantel Campbell. Gun violence, of course, is a health equity and a public health issue, so we're honored to continue our work and leverage that team.
Councilwoman Zanetta Everhart and soon-to-be acting Mayor Council President Chris Scanlon say the office will use a variety of data to track the city's progress.
The violence interrupter groups, but also pulling in Buffalo Public Schools, right? Bringing in our community centers, seeing how we can partner with them. What can we do for them? What resources can we bring directly into the community?
You see different municipalities across the country taking on initiatives like this. You see the White House pushing things forward like this. As my colleague in government mentioned, data-driven policies, data-driven procedures that will affect communities in a positive way.
Council President Chris Scanlon says when he becomes acting mayor, he'll reauthorize Mayor Brown's executive order, and he supports the Office of Gun Violence Prevention. On your side in Buffalo, Chelsea Swift, Channel 2 News.